Hello guys, welcome to Friday FPV channel. This video I would like to show you the servo tester here and how to use it. It is operated by 5 volt voltage, and actually it can take up from 4.8 to 6 volt, but I'm going to use 5 volt and it can test up to 3 servo at a time. 3 servo at a time. And there are 3 modes: manual, neutral, and auto mode. And this is the mode selection button. It is a simple servo, nothing complicated. There is a button here on the board. So let's power it up. So make sure that you plug it in the right way. Do not mess up the plus and minus Y, because you can mess it up. There's no physical protection. And I power it up through this 4S battery through the 5 volt regulator here, so it can output 5 volt for the servo tester. And then this is on the manual mode. The LED light shows on the manual mode here, and the servo is going to work like this in manual mode. And if we press the mode selection button once, you have to hold it like 1 second too, for mode to change. Here I press it 2 shot. Now it is in neutral mode, and the servo will center at the angles it can swing. For this servo, it can swing about 90 degrees, so the neutral position is about 45 degrees. And now I'm going to change it to auto mode. Here in auto mode, it will swing in full angle from one end to another end. And just press it again to return to manual mode. And that is it for this servo tester. I will put a link to buy this servo tester and also this servo in the video description in case you want to buy one of these. It's a good equipment to have in order to test your servos. And see you again next video. Bye bye.